Chances are you'll recognize some of these men and know what they have in common. They're all serial killers. But what you might not know is that according to Court TV, they each suffered head injuries when they were young. Leonard Lake, David Berkowitz, aka Son of Sam, Kenneth Bianchi, John Wayne Gacy, Carl Panzram. Scientists now believe head injuries could contribute to a murderer's sadistic behavior. And while there's no hard evidence linking head injuries to the desire to kill, there is some evidence suggesting that brain chemistry and structure could be a factor. University of Southern California psychologists have compared brain scans of nonviolent subjects to those of murderers. They say there appears to be a clear difference between the two. Look at a murderer's brain. Now look at a normal brain. The scientists discovered that many of the killers had lower activity in the prefrontal cortex, the area involved in planning, reasoning, and impulse control. They also determined the killers had higher than normal activity in a deeper, more primitive part of the brain, the subcortex, where the brain may stimulate aggressive behavior. Their conclusion? There is a connection between the way a brain functions and an individual's predisposition towards violence. Still, psychologists say that brain abnormality alone is not enough to make a person violent. They cite other influences: child abuse, mental illness, genetics. The next step, researchers say, should be to track the relationship between brain function and violent behavior from an early stage of development. Anderson Cooper, CNN, New York.